Let's go across then to Mr. Amar Singh Deo. He's Head Commodities and Currencies Research, Aditya Birla Money, and he joins us in the studio. Hi, welcome. How do you look at the gold and silver prices? Because the rebound that has happened today, do you see it staying over?
No, actually the way gold and silver prices both have corrected, it clearly reflects that there is more weakness likely to come and further sell-off to happen in gold prices, because $1,670, $1,680 on the international markets, that was a major level of support, and so the market is looking down, and definitely below any price below $16, $20, $25, we could see some real sharp crack in gold happening as well. Because if you look at the way US Federal Reserve also stated that they would not go in for a stimulus package in the near short term, so that's also taking a toll on gold prices. And also gold is not having any major triggering factor that would drive gold prices up in the short term. As far as the trend is concerned, definitely the trend short term as well as the medium term trend remains down for gold, so that we are seeing a lot of selling. Major support would be the recent low that gold had witnessed around $15.22 was the international level of support. From an intraday perspective, yes, being on the sell side is what is recommended, around 27,550, 580 with a stop loss above 27,660, targeting anywhere around 27,200 to 220 levels.
Amar, how would you look at the other commodities? And before that, what are you expecting from the budget tomorrow? Because this talk of CTT also has been quite strongly in the markets.
That has been for quite some time, but we'll better wait for the budget and see what is done on that front.
All right, Amar, let's talk about the crude prices then. And we have seen declines continue into that one as well. 104 has held on the lower side, but 108 continues to be a resistance as well.
Yeah, crude oil prices actually, if you see, they are caught between the bulls and the bears, because on one side you've got the global equities markets performing well. On the other side you've got the US economic data also coming out well, so that's been supportive. Also the Israel-Iran issue, I would say, that again holds center stage, and that also is supporting crude oil prices. So you don't see crude oil prices really falling substantially. Anywhere it could be between $100 to $110, that could be the range from a short-term perspective. But from a sideways, from a immediate perspective, yeah, crude is looking somewhat, I would say, tired after the major rally that it witnessed. So it could be a short-term selling. Intraday could be a sell in crude around 5,300, 53.20, 53.25 levels with a stop loss above 53.50, targeting anywhere around 52.70 to 52.75.